So for this bike, I am gonna upgrade the actual pedal. In order for you to take the actual pedal, you just need a 15 millimeter, and you just have to go clockwise with it. Go all the way clockwise. The pedal broke. My kid did eat dirt on this. Leaned the actual bike all the way down to the right and smashed this corner right there, which got him to bounce out of the road. And this is kind of bobbing a bit too much to the right and to the left. So I might take this apart just to see, because when you hit something with this portion of the pedal, it might actually pop some bearings or did some other kind of damage down here. But he did scrape pretty well. Bounced this off. At the time, just the front portion of this was pretty ate up, and this was all gone. I didn't think it was that bad. And then just today off of our ride, it kind of slit all the way through, and it's just completely all over the place. So what I'm gonna do, I do have other bikes, so I'm just gonna do a 1-for-1. I'm gonna take the old pedal out. It's a 15 millimeter clockwise, then I'm gonna go counterclockwise and put this in there. So clockwise to take it out, if you know clock, it's gonna go to the right. And then counterclockwise, it's gonna go to the left. So clockwise to take it out. We're gonna imagine our little clock. Continue doing that until we take it out. All right, here's our old one. This is out. It does have a bigger surface area and everything, but I'm just gonna do a 1-for-1. Just to match the other side, I am gonna put the other one exactly the same. So I'll take out the other old one and I'll install this one, because I do have the older bike over there just chilling. So this will be two use the actual pedals, but I'm not going to service the pedals or anything. So I'm just going to slap this on just like that. 15 millimeter, and all I'm going to do is go counterclockwise on this. This one's not as beat up as the other one for sure. And I'm going to rotate it until it stops. But I didn't want him to have like one foot that has the smaller surface area, one that had a bigger one. It kind of throws you off when you're stepping on different surfaces. So I kind of just wanted to match it up. So cannibalized one bike to get this one fixed up. So I'll go clockwise to install, and this will be good to go. And that's it. If you want to get any tighter, I'll hold it through the back here. Swing this out. This thing's on super tight. And it's good to go.